I think this video is gonna make a lot of people angry, or a lot of people are gonna say, finally somebody said it. You have two options: birth control or castration. That's it. I'm saying this because financially, people cannot even afford their home, and yet they are having children's with no financial stability at all. Again, this is going to be one of those videos that either a lot of people unsubscribe or a lot of people say, finally somebody said it. So I run some numbers, and I'm going to try to put the numbers here so you guys can see. But kids cost money. I only have one, and it costs money. So a kid, you know, at the bare minimum, just food, clothing, and shoes and whatnot, healthcare, hygiene, school supplies, miscellaneous like a game here, a game there, will run you about $4,500 a year. That is just bare minimum. That is public school, no paid daycare, no private school, no organized sports or hobbies, no college savings, no housing or transportation costs. Yeah. So public school, bus, and let's be honest, food is not going to be the greatest. I'm just going to say it like that way. The food that you will be eating it's just not the healthy one up there. So imagine now having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It adds up. And since I'm throwing in there, once you have more than 4, daycare makes no sense. I'll be honest with y'all. Daycare makes no sense whatsoever. Essentially, one parent will be working strictly to pay daycare over 4. Or am I wrong? You know that I'm not wrong. Daycare nowadays is just outrageous. So at that point, it's just one breadwinner. That's it. For a family, mom and dad, and 4 kids, well, bare minimum is around $60,000 to $80,000. That assumes that you don't have a mortgage, that your kids are healthy, and that you cook at home. That's assumed that you don't go out. And this is, I'm being honest with y'all. The problem here is not everybody gets paid $60,000, $80,000 a year. Now, when you have that many dependents, they really don't take a lot of taxes out of it. But if you have a mortgage, now that increases between $90,000 to $110,000. Remember, it's just one person working now. $90,000 to $110,000 to support 4 children. How many people can say here and come in here and say like, oh yeah, no, I'm okay. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, at that point you need to start thinking, am I going to have more, or I'm going to stop, or I'm just delusional, or I'm just going to ask other people to pay for my kids. And I think that last one is what's happened over the years. And before anybody starts like, nobody have paid for my kids, the moment that people ask for help to the government, now people are paying for your kids. Flat out. That's the way it works. The fact is that because I don't have my child in public school, I should not be paying school taxes. And yet I am. Why? Because I have to pay for the rest of the people. It is unfair. And yet here we are. It is unfair that I only have one and I have to pay for a dozen. They are not mine. Because other people couldn't keep their legs together or they couldn't cut the little nuts. But Billy, they have a right to have as many kids as they want. Yeah, as long as you can support them. As long as you can support them. Otherwise, you either get on birth control or you cut your little nutsack. No. When is enough? I mean, it costs a lot of money. And then when people make choices, oh, I'm just going to stick with 2, maybe 3, affordable. I can have, I can provide good life for them. I can put money away for their college education, whatever route they go, but at least I guarantee their education. They do things, thinking. But when they go above and beyond, not thinking, just doing it, we'll figure it out. I had a very smart person one time tell me something. And again, this will offend quite a few. But that individual said to me, Billy, I want you to really start looking when it comes to that. And I want you to see the level of education that they have. I was like, what do you mean? Like, very few people with education have more than 4 kids. Very, very few people. Very few. Why? Because they know how much it costs. Those who don't know how much it costs and they just go through life like, they just keep on popping. My friends, it is sad to say, but it is the reality. This video is going to be really controversial because I know that there are good people out there. They made the conscious decision of having it, and it may sound like I'm putting everybody together, and I'm not. If you have the finances and the means to support your family without taxpayer money, you can have a dozen, 2 dozen, 5 dozen. I don't care. You can have as many as you want. Shoot, my father had 8, but he never asked a penny for nobody. So you get what I'm saying? I wanted 5. I only had 1. But I had the means to support 5. Now, good thing for Laz is that he's going to have from those, he's going to have everything going to him. So, but you guys know what I'm saying. It's the mindset of, I'm going to keep on popping more and let the government pay for them without caring the world. And you know that what I'm saying is the truth. You see this more and more in the low end. You see more and more people with hardship when it comes to financial, very minimum education. There's just too many instances where they have no business of having kids and yet they are having kids. And the problem is that the cycle continues in the next generations. How can you get out of poverty? How? There's no way. You literally are digging yourself deeper and deeper and deeper. Nowadays, there is a solution for all of this. Women can go and get pills, as many as they want. Men, the surgery is not a big deal. So, and insurances cover it. Anyways, I don't know. I have yet to decide whether or not I'm going to leave the comments on. I don't think I will, but I may, because I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Are you in that mindset of like, there have to be a limit, and if you cannot afford it, you should not have it? Or are you in the mindset of, let's have as many as possible and let's figure it out as we go? I personally can't do that. Personally think that if I bring a life to this world, I am 100% responsible for it. Into that little one is old enough to fend for himself. And it is my responsibility, not my neighbor's. It don't feel right to me, but people are different. So, as I say that, let's leave the comments on. Put in the comment section below what you think. Put down in the comment section what you think, because in this case, I think people need to start looking into birth control or flat out castration, because we got to call out this bullshit. It needs to stop. Your responsibility, not mine. I pay for mine. You'll pay for yours. That being said, again, just put it in the comment section below. Let us know what you think. Let us know your thoughts. And if you like this video, share it with friends. Hopefully, I'm going to get some nasty comments on this one. All right, guys. God bless you, and I hope to see you in the next one.